You know, despite your elegant attire, you're nothing but a pauper and a wastrel, flitting around place to place, indulging in nothing but pleasure until it fades. When will you see that you're part of this world? You don't even know the picture you're in. You should take that jacket straight down to the
Why are you
moneylender.
so angry? Everything I do makes you angry. I don't know why.
Why am I so angry? What's the matter with you?
Look, I'm in trouble. I've got no one else to turn to. I need your help.
That's what you always say. And why don't you try doing something for a change? You're penniless, but with a mouth for consuming. Learn a skill. You're weak.
I've got a law degree. That's something. Oh, come on. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I screwed up. What do you want me to do? I'm not perfect,
You are perfect.
but I'm trying. I'm doing everything I can, but it's hard sometimes. It's hard to live simply. Why can't I simply lead a useless, an extravagant, useless life?